Bafana level with the qualifications and what we've done now. I think the thing that's missing to champion all of this, and I think it's time we have those conversations. I think it's time we directly look at the man that's going to take us to the next level and return the glory days of South Africa, have the market, business of South Africa, the private sector say, we want to be a part of Bafana. I think it's time we give and allow Lucas Radebe to come to the fore.
He's ready to talk.
Lucas Radebe, I will force him out of the hole he's in.
I look forward.
We are ready to hit for him. We are ready for him. He's won our hearts. He's won the world's heart. And I say this because everywhere you go in Africa, everywhere, I mean, Egypt, everywhere I go to do my CAF duties, they ask me one question and one question only. Where's Lucas Radebe? He's a leader par excellence, and we are ready for you, Ru. We are ready for you.
Now, first of all, Lucas Radebe is a national hero. He is an international hero. He was a hero at Leeds United. He has done a lot for his South African football. He's part of the people that actually helped us in 1998, I think, or 96, somewhere there. Fine. We take that nothing away from him. But how stupid can Andile be as Umdu, who has been in football for so long, to want us now to say, because Ustatile Hugo Bruce, which is the coach of Bafana, and that ever since that guy took over, there was a point where South Africa rated number 90 something in the world. We now rate number 56, and in the last 39 games we've only been beaten 6 or 9 times. I'm not sure, it's either 6 or 9. So this guy took us to the World Cup. Now, this guy is doing amazing. This guy is at the top of his game. Bafana is performing like crazy. Just because now we made it to the World Cup, now we're going, let's get to Hugo, what? Let's get to Lucas Radebe. I'm not saying that we are wrong for wanting Lucas Radebe. We can get Lucas Radebe, but right now, why are we trying to ruin something that's working for us? I mean, it's a World Cup. Bafana is doing great. I'm pretty sure now on Saturday, on the 3rd of May, when we are playing, I think it's Malawi, I'm not sure. But when we're playing that game, it's either we're going to play a draw or we are winning it. We've been doing great, and now all of a sudden, just because we made it to the World Cup, now we want to change. Now we want to switch. Now Hugo Bros is not good enough. Come on, man. Andy Lumtala, bro. Lumtala. Why are we trying to ruin? First of all, there was a time where Shakes Mashaba was the coach of Bafana